Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to get a voided check online from Bank of America, which you may need for direct deposit, bill payments, or linking another bank account. To get started, open a web browser or the Bank of America mobile app and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, select the checking account you need the voided check for. Next, look for an option called Account Details, Account Information, or Information and Services, and tap or click on it. In this section, you should see your account number and routing number. Instead of a physical voided check, Bank of America provides a direct deposit form that works the same way. Look for an option to view or download your direct deposit form. Once you open it, you'll see your name, routing number, and account number clearly listed. You can download this form as a PDF, print it, or share it electronically wherever a voided check is required. Most employers and financial institutions accept this form in place of a traditional voided check. If you don't see the direct deposit form online, another option is to use a physical check from your checkbook and write the word void across the front, making sure not to cover the routing or account numbers. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you get a voided check online from Bank of America, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.